So I'm Melinda and I am the principal and owner here at SMSA Architects. We work with building owners of existing buildings looking for adaptive reuse, whether they're in private commercial, state and government, or higher education. We were very frustrated with the lack of direction and unsure where we wanted to position ourselves. We were taking all types of jobs, writing proposals, and just feeling like we were burning ourselves out. I came in as a very green business owner with only a couple of years under my belt, and I felt very unsure on how to really look at my financial data and align it with the work we were doing. It helped us identify our pipeline and strategy with KPIs. The program did provide structure, but it also allowed for like a flexible variety of discussions as we underwent different situations. And we were able to bring them to the table and apply what we were learning to those situations. It just provided accountability and then instilled discipline in areas that we often overlook. In about 9 months, we were able to increase our pre-win pipeline by about 100%. And after about 6 to 9 months of tracking and implementing SalesStar process, we started to see an increase in our marketing visibility. I think it just brought a little bit more clarity to everybody, so everybody knows what they're working on. Now I think I feel more confident in my ability to go after leads and qualify them and unqualify them. Able to delegate a little bit more so they have a clear path of what they should be working on, what we're targeting. We were making less emotional decisions and more strategic and intentional decisions. I recommend getting into the program and taking the opportunity to level up your role. It took me from the employee level to the owner level, and it made me step back and see the whole business and not just the production work side of it. It put you in a place where you felt uncomfortable and vulnerable, but it was a good uncomfortable and vulnerable. It made you face those problems you've been having and actually say, hey, I've got to fix this. This is my chance.